स्नेहा, शुरू करें?
करते हैं, लेकिन कहाँ से करें? That Delhi's air today is in the very poor category, and we are celebrating because from severe it's gone back to very poor. Or what do we say? That for years this is an issue which everybody talks about in the seasonal winter months, and we all think of it as a winter problem when it isn't. Delhi's air is bad throughout the year. Or what do we say? That the governments don't really care to discuss about health and environment unless there is a pandemic, and this isn't a pandemic, but it's assuming pandemic-like proportions. No matter what you do, no matter how much noise you make, it doesn't seem to change. It doesn't seem to have an impact. Why? Because it is on the bottom of the priority list of the people that we choose to power. So we decided that apart from all the short-term solutions and knee-jerk reactions that we've seen from the governments, we go ahead and explore realistically what can Delhi NCR do. And in this quest for more information and more solutions, long-term solutions, we did travel to various parts of the National Capital Region to figure out what the experts, what is science really saying as far as air pollution is concerned, and how can long-term solutions be worked out, provided there has to be will when it comes to cleaning up this dirty air.
My name is People Baba, and I think I'm a happy gardener. It was only in 2017 that we really went into urban forestry, और 8 साल से हम लोग 278 urban forests हम लगा चुके हैं.
I'm Vijay Dashmana, and I have curated the forests of Aravali Biodiversity Park here. For me, this biodiversity park signifies life, wild. So we need to create wild spaces in the city.
Many development agency, they don't think that way, but the DDA thought. They took academia with it. Person like Professor C.R. Babu, as the views came, and he given concept of biodiversity park first time. This is the first biodiversity park of India.
So what is this biodiversity park concept? What does it really mean, and how is it different from a regular park in that sense? Because we all talk about green spaces, parks and trees vanishing in the city. But biodiversity parks are very different.
It is not simple plantation, it is ecological restoration. What do you mean by ecological restoration? You are helping an ecosystem to recover which is degraded, damaged, or even lost. It is not that it is simply based on plantation, but it's a very sound ecological principle that says that you need to have a site. When you have a site, to look at the ecological history of the site. What was there 100 years ago and what happened to it now? And you bring assemblage of a species in the form of biological community belonging to a specific ecological range. For example, if we are working on Yamuna Biodiversity Park, then the vegetation belongs to Yamuna River Basin.
Our whole focus is on birds and insects, birds, pollinators. उनके लिए habitat जब हम बनाते हैं, rest everything is taken care.
Tell us how difficult it has been to restore the Aravali Biodiversity Park.
I remember my team members from Amgulga asking me, will they see a jungle in their lifetime? And today just with 16 years now, we are seeing patches of Dhau, which is Anabasis pendula or Boswellia. Nice ecology coming out, and that's why it was tagged as the OECM site in the country. Journey was tough initially, very tough, because there was little buying in from the government side, the municipality. They trusted, but they were not seeing the results, because the plants that we grow are not available. They were not available with any private nurseries or the government nurseries. So we had to create a nursery, germinate the plants, procure the seeds from the wild, and then germinate them, and then plant them out into right planting schemes.
So आपने आज सुबह AQI check किया?
हाँ 753 था.
What do you think Delhi is actually breathing?
It's a serious thing. खैर अब तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पोल्यूशन इज़ जैसे पहले कभी करप्शन एक शब्द हुआ करता था, कीवर्ड होता था 10 साल पहले. अब जो है पोल्यूशन भी धीरे धीरे हमारी लाइफ का हिस्सा बन जाएगा. आई डोंट थिंक सो द वे थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन कि ये कोई इशू भी है. इट इज़ मोर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया रील्स बनाने के लिए.
No, what these decks are being used for.
People are having fun in pollution.
Yeah.
My whole thing is that, na, and I'm also to be blamed a little.
Yeah.
Nobody seems to be bothered.
Yeah,
anymore,
that's the big thing.
Yeah, I was
it's not
just thinking.
See, slow poison is okay for people, as they say
Like just say, people seem to be like, like enjoy kar rahe.
This is, actually, fog is a good weather to enjoy.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
Apart
traditionally.
from the visibility problems.
Yeah, if there was no pollution,
Yeah.
this was fine.
You said vehicular pollution, the construction dust. How would a tree really help with the construction dust?
Very good question. You see now, I will take one leaf. It's a tiny leaf.
Yes.
Look at the amount of particulate matter. Could you see it? This
It's black.
tree has kept so much of particulate matter, otherwise you would be breathing.
The most important part that needs to be understood is that oxygen आता कहाँ से है? वो तो क्लोरोफिल से आ रहा है. क्लोरोफिल जो पत्ते हैं, चाहे घास का पत्ता हो, चाहे फ्रूटिंग ट्री हो, फ्लावरिंग ट्री हो, चाहे इंडिजिनस स्पीसीज हो, चाहे ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट हो, चाहे आपका फ्लावरिंग प्लांट हो, चाहे आपका बड़ी कैनोपी हो, आपका छोटा सा फॉरेस्ट से लेके छोटे से गमले तक, ऑक्सीजन तो वो दे रहा है आपको. तो जो ऑक्सीजन दे रहा है, जो प्राण ऊर्जा है, जो लाइफ फोर्स है, अरे उसको तो प्रोटेक्ट करके रखो.
It plays a very, very significant role. Like the AQI on the road, compared to what is inside, deep inside, we have AQI meter there, and Terry has put it in, and we see on a very polluted day up to 200 level difference in the AQI. 200, yeah, or even in summers 100 is very, very common to observe that much variation we see.
It's actually reducing, Simran. हाँ, मैंने क्योंकि मैं वहाँ तक गई ना, यहाँ तक 200 था, थोड़े वहाँ पहुँची तो 194 हुआ. हाँ.
So if there's any favorite spot of this location, if you have to show us one, कहाँ लेके जाएंगे आप हमें?
I would take you to the pond area.
हाँ.
है ना? हाँ, I would take you to the pond area. हाँ, यहाँ पर हमने इंसेक्ट होटल्स भी बनाए हैं. ये इंसेक्ट होटल होता है कि जो बाहर से इंसेक्ट्स आते हैं ना जब, तो जो दूसरे एरिया से आते हैं उनके लिए हमने जगह बनाई है. तो यहाँ पर एग लेइंग होती है, उनकी ब्रीडिंग होती है, प्रोपगेशन होती है. ये हरित उपवन सोरखा है जो ये जगह का नाम है. और दिस इज़ वन प्लेस आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जो आसपास बस्तियाँ हैं, झुग्गी झोपड़ियाँ हैं, स्लम एरिया है, वहाँ से हम पानी, उनका जो ग्रे वाटर जिसको बोलते हैं, हम लेकर आते हैं. हमने यहाँ फ़िल्टर्स लगाए हुए हैं, वो अलग अलग ग्रेडियंट से आके फिर वो पानी इसमें गिरता है. तो इसके अंदर जो है अभी तो विंटर्स हैं, थोड़ा कम है पानी, बट रेन वाटर जब आता है तो फिर तो लबालब भरा होता है. एंड वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ ओवर हियर. वी हैव स्नेक्स, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एक बंगाल मॉनिटर लेजर्ड होती है, वो भी यहीं रहती है. वी हैव ब्राउन हेयर, वी हैव रैबिट्स, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ ओवर हियर.